That's why
Vietnam has a lot obesity rate.
one diet, Vietnamese cuisine focuses on fresh veggies, herbs, and lean proteins. Dishes like pho and spring rolls are nutrient-packed and low in calories. Fast food is less common and often seen as unhealthy. While there are over 14,000 McDonald's stores in America, it's only 38 ones in Vietnam. Too active lifestyle. From farming in rural areas to street vending in cities, many jobs require physical movement. Parks and public spaces also encourage outdoor activities like playing sports, practicing martial arts. 3 portion control. Vietnamese portions are smaller. A bowl of pho here is 70% the size of one in the US. 4 social eating. Meals are communal, shared with family or friends. Eating slowly and mindfully reduces overeating and boosts mental well-being. A positive mood during meals can also enhance digestion.